Sanibonani. Sisayibhekile indaba yeThando Nesithembu. Yep, she is pregnant. Siyabahalelisela Nkosi yami. Baby number 11 on her or his way. Siyabona-ke mabasahamba laphana uMakhwela noMusa Mseleku, they went to uMacele to show her the pregnancy test, and hey, naye uMacele she was happy ukubana hayi asithembe kwakade ukubana it's a boy, because yeah, I think there's less boys than girls. There's a whole lot of girls in Musa's family, so this will be a good thing ukubana uMakhwela start with a boy, because there are few. There's uMpumelelo, uMnini, bathi ubani lo omunye, and is it all? It's the 3 boys out of 7 girls. So this will be a good thing if Makhwela have a boy, so that he can add to the boy legacy of Musa Mseleku. He's actually very happy. He even went to Umace to break about, you had asked me, am I still fertile? Now impendulo yakho. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys.